We're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to shoot a pellet, Hayden? Watch out for those BBs and pellets back there. Hayden, you want to shoot a pellet? That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Like, oh.
I want to
It
load
just
on
hit
it.
it so hard that it just splattered out.
This is my BB gun. I'm gonna.
I know how to.
And make sure you drop it this.
Got
So
him.
the hole is in the back.
Yeah.
Holes in the back. All right.
Go down. So you're gonna drop it.
We're actually really far away, but it looks like we're so
That's
close.
what you're pointing at, girl.
Sorry. I think we're done with the.
Pistol.
Over there.
Alright. Want to use it?
Joseph.
That's pretty cool how it got flat like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Cool how cool this gun is.
Alright, Rora. Prepare to be amazed. Wait, you're filming?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Well,
showed
come
them
here,
all
let's
my
show up
guns
a
I have a
pellet.
I already showed them all.
I have a pellet made out of lead in this gun. And I'm gonna see if I can
Put a dent in the.
Look, Laura.
Ooh.
This is a before and after. That's
Here,
what it looked
Sean.
like before. That's what the pellet looked like before, and that's what it looks like after it hit it. There you go.
Okay. Look where I shot it. Ladies and gentlemen, that right there is my shot.
No, this one.
No, this one.
Oh.
I think
It's
it fell
not
down
showing.
around here somewhere.
It doesn't fall straight down. It's gonna bounce back a little bit.
It's there. I know.
Oh,
Okay.
this is a paper target. This is what.
Like, the pellet I found was back here.
Yes, I'm running.
Don't go far. You might like it. Forward charge. It's a freaking RPG.
What are the pellets?
In my hand.
My name is Heather. This is my gun. What?
No, they call me heavy. This is my
look at me.
gun. When it's
Show the camera towards me. My name is Heavy. Wait, they call me Heavy. This is my gun. When she starts spinning, you better run.
no, you can do that with the gun.
How to load them. I
Watch
already
out.
showed them everything yesterday.
There you do.
Yeah, but this is Aurora's channel.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is how you load the gun with these lead.
You
pellets.
can't see anything.
All right. So that's mean. All right, point the camera at me. All right. So first, this lever here is a lever. Pull it back, and see that slot opens up when you pull it. So you put it in hole to the back. See, the hole is on the back.
Shoot this.
Put it in there. Then you pull the lever forward.
Oh, Hayden, where are those BBs?
You pump it for power in my pocket.
You mostly pump it 5 times.
You pump it at least 4 or 5 times. Oh, and by the way, it gets harder and harder every time you pump it. And yeah, it basically gives it more
It
power.
works every time for me.
Yeah, what's the time for me?
Do it.
No problem. And here's my bullet, kind sirs. Watch out!
Forward charge.
Hi, Aunt Jessica.
Hi,
She said, Aunt Jessica. Parker and Zoe said, ja. Wait, no, Parker said, ja. And Zoe said, ja. Wait, no, Jessica. Jessica.
Back up.
Ja.
Watch out, boys.
Ja. I need the pellets.
Where's Jessica?
I don't know. She went back inside.
Aim. Fire.
Here.
It worked. And I missed it. It doesn't have very well aim on it.
Quit farting. What did you eat?
Taco Bell.
When?
Good one.
Why did you guys talk about me?
guns.
Stay down.
I'm gonna load this bad boy.
Alright, Seth, get up
They
there.
call me heavy. This is my gun. When it starts spinning, you better run. You
I'm
guys
gonna shoot
will
the satellite dish with a pellet.
Okay, wait. Let me see.
probably gonna make a hole.
Seth, get back here. Go ahead.
Pellets are the most dangerous thing we have. So I'm just gonna load this. I'm just gonna load this.
I heard it fall. This scared me.
Why?
You should take it.
This little girl. What? That little girl.
Okay, let's
It looks
hang on.
like a, not a little girl.
Helmet
It's
so
a
low.
big girl.
Helmet's so low I can hardly see.
Alright.
Oh, remember South Park Bibby? I meant Biddy. The poop
Yeah,
thing.
don't you want the biddy?
Oh yeah.
Does Bono want the Biddy?
Hold on, wait.
We're just I'm just filming and they're shooting BB guns. Yeah.
At the door?
Want to shoot one?
No.
Oh, and earlier, I don't know if you got that on camera, but we were shooting wasp nests.
Oh yeah, geez.
Yeah, we didn't get that on camera.
Dang it, but at least we still have that memory.
Yeah. Dude, it happened like an hour ago. Not even, like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That 12-minute memory.
That one.
Hurry up!
This takes a long time to load, guys.
Yes.
Yep. I'm the medic, so don't go far. You might want to take my Uber charge. I'm still a doctor, but I lost my license.
So,
This should be a problem.
Yeah. Scheiße.
Dude, that's a bad word. It means S-H-I-T in German.
Dude. Just dude. Why?
Seth. Hi. Hi there. This is really fun shooting BB guns.
I've been shooting an empty gun.
I really want mine of my own.
Yeah,
Well,
once.
I used to have 2 pistols, but that got
They
lost.
both weren't yours. One was mine and one was yours.
Yeah, but now they're both mine because they were in my toy box in Alabama, and I claimed them.
Can you claim them? Here, move. I gotta refill this.
Like whenever whenever Michelle divorced my dad and Bryce went, he left all his toys in my toy box, and now they're mine.
Yeah.
Like all me, Zoe, and Parker's toys from there are still there.
Still.
I really want my
Probably never gonna get them back.
I really want my styling Barbie back. That was like my first Barbie that I've ever gotten in 2 years for Christmas. Did I go?
You called me.
Hayden. Don't step on that gun, guys. It will explode.
That won't.
It will explode. Explode. How much BBs does this thing take? Like
A lot.
30? Well, I'm pretty sure this is full.
Oh.
Yeah, it's full, it's full, it's full.
Smashed every finger.
Smashed every finger. One dropped, but... Alright, guys. The moment you've all been waiting for is going to happen just after Seth takes this shot.
Said they call me heavy. This is my gun. When it starts spinning, you better run.
That's when you move, you're going to hear stuff.
Oh no, poor Loki about to puke.
I'll wait, Seth. I'll wait. Do you guys want to see this get shot?
Oh, poor Loki. He's been
When
eating
it
grass
starts
again.
spinning, you better run.
Don't eat it.
Whoa! Hey, whoa.
Alright, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
My name is Heavy. This is my.
They call me Heavy.
It takes so long to reload, but you can only shoot it for like 4 seconds.
Watch out! What are my pellets already?
Still cool though. Wasn't that cool? A little bit, because it didn't really last that long. And this is how you take it out. See?
They
This
all know.
button right here.
They all know.
You punch it, and it pops out.
Okay, well. This is
And here's the magazine for it.
Film me now. I'm the filmer. Thanks to me, this video was made.
Well, I'm gonna end the video now, and bye bye.